Let me tell you about quantum mechanics, but not the way you've learned it. Early 1900s, scientists studying the subatomic realm discovered something impossible. At quantum scales, electrons, photons, atoms, reality behaves impossibly. Before measurement, a particle exists in superposition, multiple states simultaneously. Not we don't know much, but it's actually all of them at once. During measurement, the wave function collapses, superposition ends, one definite state appears. After measurement, the particle has the property you measured, but it didn't have that property before you looked. The observer effect. The act of observation changes what's being observed. Not because you disturb it mechanically, because before observation it exists as a probability wave, and after observation it exists as a particle. Measurement doesn't reveal pre-existing reality. Measurement creates definite reality from possibility. Quantum mechanics says consciousness and reality are intertangled. You cannot separate the observer from the observed. Reality at a fundamental level doesn't exist definitely until observed. Observation participates in creating what's real. This is the measurement problem, still unsolved, still debated. Multiple interpretations. Copenhagen interpretation, consciousness collapses wave function. The observer creates reality through measurement. Many worlds interpretation, all possibilities happen. Measurement splits the universe into parallel branches. Every outcome occurs in some universe. Pilot wave theory, hidden variables determine outcomes, appear random, but actually deterministic at a deeper level. No one knows which is true. Three implications. First, particles don't have definite properties until measured. Not unknown properties, actually indefinite. Second, entanglement. Two particles can be connected such that measuring one instantly affects the other, regardless of distance. Third, the observer is fundamental. You can't remove consciousness from the equation. Physics has to account for the one doing the observing. Quantum mechanics works perfectly, makes the most accurate predictions in all of science, but no one fully understands what it means. At a fundamental level of reality, the act of observing participates in creating what's observed. How you observe your life changes what you experience. You're in superposition constantly. Multiple possible interpretations of every situation. Your attention, what you measure, what you focus on, what you observe, collapses possibility into actuality. You observe problems, problems become reality. You observe possibility, possibilities becomes available. What you pay attention to becomes more real for you. Your past, superposition of interpretations. How you observe it now determines what it means. Your relationships, superposition of dynamics. How you observe the other person shapes what emerges. You're not separate from reality observing it objectively. You are entangled with it. Participant, not spectator. Your awareness isn't passive, it is creative. So pay attention to what you're paying attention to. You're collapsing wave functions with every observation. Quantum mechanics isn't physics, it's teaching. Science knows what your mind forgets.